Have you ever wished for a place, not a dream mansion, not some luxury, but a place where your heart longs to bow down, a place where the dust feels holier than gold? This is the beginning of a story of love, a journey called Hajj. No fancy clothes, no worldly ranks, just two simple white sheets, everyone equal, and one chant on every lip, Labbayk Allahumma Labbayk. Here I am, O Allah, here I am. And do you know who first walked this path? The most beloved man on earth, who loved Allah more than anything else, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It was his first and last Hajj. He knew time was short. That's why every step, every prayer, every tear carried a message for his people, a final lesson, not just through words, but through action. When he stood in Arafat and delivered his sermon, the world fell silent. He spoke of justice, human rights, equality, and the oneness of Allah. And then, a verse was revealed, a verse that completed the religion. Today I have perfected your religion for you, completed my favor upon you, and have chosen for you Islam as your way of life. Surah Al-Ma'idah 5:3. The companions knew this was goodbye. They memorized every step, every word, because they understood these moments would never come again. And now, this story isn't just theirs, it's yours too. You can walk the same path. You can say, Labbayk, O Allah. Allah is still calling. The journey of love is still alive. The question is, are you ready to walk it?